Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear up some storage space and delete a game from your PlayStation 5 using the PS app on your phone. So you can get this through the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. It's called PlayStation app. Just go ahead and get that. Then you want to go to the home screen right here. Then go up to settings. Once we select that, we can see PlayStation 5 storage. Go to console. So if your PlayStation 5 is linked, it should show up immediately on the top. Otherwise, you'll have to go down to console management and go to pair console or scan with QR code to go ahead and connect your PlayStation 5. Now we can go to PlayStation 5 storage on the top. And we can see our M.2 SSD if we have it in the expansion bay. And then we can delete the game under here. So let's delete a game. The finals was kind of, let's go ahead and just delete that game and get off my PlayStation 5 because I don't think I'll play it again. So, it's great on PC, just not so much on the PlayStation 5. I think it's the controller. It wasn't as great mapped to the controller. So you can delete games easily just by deleting them with this app. And then it might not be right away on the PlayStation 5. It might take like a couple minutes for it to go ahead and delete. Just make sure your PlayStation 5 is in rest mode. So this is a very easy way to manage the storage space. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.